In video 36, I dried laundry with the mobile air conditioner. It worked very well, but I have now something easier and even more efficient. What about you? After months of hanging laundry outside with cold weather, hanging it inside, still worse. Humidity, mold risk, unhealthy air. You will need a better solution. Well, I guide you if that is appreciated. We bought this Samsung dryer with a heat pump at 25% discount. More about financial aspects will come. Important for you is now that many Samsung heat pump dryers in other countries are technically very similar to this model. So don't worry about the exact model. Watch the video if you have a laundry problem. Details are in the free PDF and in the experimental footage about the laundry of Charlie. I admit I had prejudgments against this dryer. Isn't it energy waste? And another expensive device in house? Well, see for yourself. Let's go on. Hi, Norbert here. I'm energy engineer. In video number 131, I explain how to dry your laundry if it's cold outside. This is a heat pump dryer, not a resistive dryer as we had 40 years ago. An old-style resistive dryer uses electricity for direct production of heat. That consumes a lot of energy because every cc of water has to be evaporated. That's 0.63 kilowatt-hours per kilogram or liter of water. That's why drying is so expensive. So if the weather is good, hang it outside. But a heat pump dryer uses in principle 1/3 to 1/2 of this old-style dryer. So savings are not some 10% or so, but bang! 50% to 67%. It recycles the air and doesn't dump air outside. It stops before the programmed or the expected time if the circulating air is dry enough. Here are some typical numbers. 6 kg of dry cotton centrifuged at 1200 rpm, rotations per minute, still retains about 55% of water. And that's 3.3 liters of water. So what you put in the dryer is 9.3 kilograms of laundry in total. It's just an example. The heat needed to evaporate all that water is 2.1 kilowatt-hour of thermal energy. Well, and with the coefficient of performance of let's say 2.5, this theoretical electricity, it's a 2.1 divided by 2.5, and we get then 0.84 kilowatt-hour. That's theory. Let's add some 50% of margin, and then we come at 1.26 kilowatt-hours. And that's close to the 1.05 kilowatt-hour per cycle label. And this energy will evaporate 3 liters or 4 wine bottles of water. I will do experiments and you can see them in the link that is in the free PDF. See the description. Okay, I will promise that you consume less if you follow my suggestions. And in the free PDF you find more details and also guides to the programs. Which of these programs are the best and which are more eco? Well, let's say it now in a few words. You must try to work with the lower temperatures, even if that will take longer. Don't exaggerate with the dryness. An important principle is that the last cup of water is much more difficult to take away than the first cup of water. Extra dry, level 3 with this machine, is not necessary. Level 2 is fine for the wardrobe and also to dress yourself. The third point is to choose the automatic stop. So the humidity sensors, not the timer, must determine when the program stops. And then the last point is that maintenance is the key to energy saving. A few quick cleaning tasks will save you a lot of energy. In a free PDF you will find this in more detail. Be assured that you will get a little email if you subscribe to my email list. It's much more about value for you than about annoying ads. This will let you decide. You can stack it on the washing machine, so that's less transport effort. The consumption is nearly constant, under 1 kilowatt. That means there's less chance that the central meter trips when someone in the house starts a hairdryer. And the last practical advantage is that the laundry is softer than balcony drying because the fibers keep bending during the process. From this point of view, the technical alternatives are hanging outside. Yeah, we saw that already. A resistive dryer. No, please. Video 36. Mobile air conditioner method. The heat pump dryer is really a piece of engineering for energy efficiency. It's closed loop. It controls humidity and stops automatically. There's more heat for less electricity because there's the heat pump. Compared to my video 36, the method with the mobile air conditioner solution, the dryer needs less space and also less transport of the wet laundry. It's better controlled, the process, and it costs less energy, still less energy. And you have soft laundry afterwards. But okay, there is the investment. If that is a problem and you have already a mobile air conditioner for the summer, then I would like to invite you to look video 36, A and B. In times of energy poverty, and that's 10% in Europe, more even in the USA, don't feel embarrassed if you belong here, because energy inflation is higher than most other kinds of consumer inflations. I can imagine that €700 is much for you. To see if it makes economic sense, consider these points. You need to make energy calculations to see the cost for the several alternatives for drying. And you have to consider how often you wash and you dry in 1 week. But also consider the risk of health and damage when you feel the temptation to dry in-house. Then consider also the stress, the disappointment when the laundry outside is still humid at sunset. And finally calculate the time that you need to transport the laundry through the house and hang it outside, because time is money. Also, if you are not a busy CEO, time is a resource that you can use better to find shopping deals, to organize your financials, to study and to take the healthy hours of rest. And in summer, just hang it outside. But that means also this solution must earn back itself within 4 to 8 months each year. In the free PDF you will find examples of calculations. I found in the accessories this shoe rack. They advise this also to stack and dry a few already plied humid sheets, dresses or towels, which need not to be turned around. I looked to it and then I saw a solution to dry sliced food. Of course, you have to deal with hygiene and odors and see that you get no banana juice leaking into the machine. But okay, I will take some experiments and I just wanted to have some fun and share it with you, of course. I hope you appreciated this technology review. I am no way connected with Samsung and get no reward if you buy such a machine or even another brand. But I would appreciate to welcome you in the energy resilience community. You can make part of this community by subscribing to the email list and receive mostly every week useful tips, starting off of course with the free PDF of today's technology. Here you will find measurements and calculations, a video link with various experiments on the dog's load, and a program guide telling you what are the 5 most economic programs which you will use practically 80% of the cases. So it starts at Eco Cotone. Understanding brings you much further than just blindly follow a manual. And I must say, the manual which was delivered with this machine was not complete, so you have to download the manual from the internet. Also, put your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share this video with the friends that need this info. For the patient and curious audience, I show here some video. I wish you good energy. This humidity sensor said it's okay.